Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and at home. Well, this time I thought of making yet another makeup hacks and tricks video. Well, the last video I made, you gave a lot of love to that video. Well, by the way, this is that video. And I've also made 2 or 3 more hacks and tricks video. You can click on this playlist to check out them. Well, so basically in this video, I'll not be trying out any one hack or trick. I will be trying out 5 different hacks and tricks. Like, there are many hacks and tricks which I have been seeing from like a long time, and I really don't know whether they actually work out or not. So in this video, I'll be trying out all these hacks and tricks. So without any further delay, let's just start the video. So the first trick is skeleton contouring. Well, I saw a lot of people doing that over the internet, and I also thought of doing that. Well, if you don't know what is skeleton contouring, well, this is it. Well, they are using a little too much of the product. I don't know how come they use so much. Anyways, I do not have that big brush, so I'm using this brush. And obviously that would give less of the product. So this is my contour and this is my brush. And let's just start.
So I did a little wrong. Basically, we had to make a 3 on our face, which I didn't do. Here I have outlined my face rather than contouring it.
Okay, so I have applied the contour and now we have to just blend it. So basically this is skeleton contour. But I'll also be doing my second hack before I blend in my first hack. So the second hack is using a fork to contour your nose. So basically you hold it like this.
So basically you need to fill in the gaps from both the sides. First gaps you need to fill in a straight line.
Okay, so yeah, it did work. I think that this would work. But yeah, it is actually very difficult to apply. I think you need a much smaller brush than this. I think it's very big to do this, and it is very small to do this hack. So for skeleton contouring you need a bigger brush, and for this fork contouring you need a smaller brush. This is a medium sized brush, by the way. And now I'll use my sponge to blend it. At first I'll wet it. Okay, so this is how my face looks after contouring. Well, I think for the first hack, the hack is a great way to apply contour, but you need to take it like this and not this. That's the wrong way because you aren't coming on your cheeks. So that's a mistake which I made, and I think you must have learned by now from my mistake. And the second hack, it's a very good hack, but I think it's for those who find it very difficult to apply contour on their nose. They aren't able to apply 2 parallel lines. So it's basically the fork is a support for them to make a straight line on both the sides. Well, I don't find it difficult, so I think I won't be using this hack. But yeah, beginners can definitely use that. So this is how my face looks. But I just love my Velo on red nose. And now without any further delay, let's just talk about the third hack, which is a blush hack. It is not viral blush trend hack. Well, I have made a video on that. It's another blush trend. So basically you need a red blush or lipstick, but yeah, it should be liquid or creamy. So I'm taking my pink lipstick, this one, and you need to take it on your palm here. Lots of lipstick you need. And before it dries, you need to rub it like this on both your palms, like this, and take it like this on your cheeks. It's a wow. और कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट जितना रिक्वायर्ड उतना ही है, and it's not even coming off. You see, it's so nice, and it even worked. It's really great. You must try out this hack, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, so that was our third hack. Now the fourth hack is a eyeshadow hack. What is that hack? Well, for that you need a tissue paper and a powder eyeshadow palette. So basically for this hack you need a tissue paper and you need to unfold it and then crumple it. Okay, you can even take a part of the tissue paper and crumple it if you do not want to crumple the whole part. Now I'll take a side of the tissue paper, crumple it side, and I'll take my eyeshadow palette and I'll apply it. So what I'm doing, I'm taking 3 different pink shades on my eyes. So one is this, the second one is this, and the third one is this, जो बिल्कुल बस खत्म है. So first I'll go in with this one. And now I'll take another side of the tissue paper, not the same side, because I don't know, it may mix, तो light shade भी dark ना हो जाए. So this is the other side, and now I'll take this shade, and I'll apply it in middle. I don't know if you guys can make out any difference or not in the video. And then take the third shade. Apply it, and even apply it towards नीचे. मैंने पूरी आई को apply कर दिया. And this is the hack. So basically you need to like take 2 or 3 shades and a tissue paper and just crumple it and apply it using that tissue paper. And it's a very good hack. You know, while using a powder eyeshadow, it spills over your cheeks while blending it here and applying it over your eyelid, and the foundation which you've applied here gets ruined. Or the other way to apply eyeshadow is first do your eyes and then do your face, which I really don't do. I first do my whole face and then I do my eyes and then my blush and lipstick. I do my makeup in that way, which is wrong. So for me it's a very great hack, and if you're to someone like me, then it's a very good hack to apply eyeshadow. Plus it gives like थोड़ा वाला finish. यहाँ पे भी ऐसे it is giving that finish here too, which is looking very beautiful, and it is looking that the eyes are well blended. As you can see, ऐसा लग नहीं रहा कि they aren't blended. Well, till now all the hacks that we have done, I would give the third and the fourth hack a thumbs up. They are the best. Even the second hack is very nice. I'll give that too also a thumbs up. And for the first hack, it's a great hack, but only if you apply it in the right way. So applying the contour in the right direction is a very big thing in that hack. What do you feel about this one? Do let me know in the comment section below. And now the fifth hack is eyeliner hack. Basically, we need a spoon to apply eyeliner. There's my eyeliner. This is my eyeliner. And now I'll be doing the most scariest thing. I'll be applying eyeliner. I'm not very good with applying eyeliner, so I really skip them. I rather apply kajal over my lid too.
You need to place the spoon like this. It should go above your eyes a little bit teda. It should be. And then draw a line joining your inner eye. And then place the scoop over your eyes and try to join it with the spoon. And then join it with your waterline. And then fill the gaps and join it towards the inner corner of your eyes. Well, it's a little bit teda, I know, because I told you guys I'm not very good with applying eyeliner. So I'll be joining it using a kajal. I'll be applying kajal under my lower waterline to join the other corner. Well, to be honest, I personally do not like applying cat eye eyeliners. You know, if I had to apply an eyeliner, I would just apply a classic eyeliner, and that too a very thin eyeliner.
And this is how it looks. And now I'll be doing the same thing with my other eye. And we're done. Well, this side is more perfect than this side. But yeah, it's great. Well, about this hack, it's a great hack, but yeah, you need to be familiar with how to apply a liner. You need to know the basics of applying a eyeliner, only then you can do this hack. Well, for a beginner like me in applying eyeliner, it's a little difficult. So that's it for this video, guys. Well, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then please like this video and share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Guys, it's a request, please like my videos, because I have been seeing that many of my videos have a lot of views, but they do not have the same number or even the half number of that much likes on my video. So it's a request to please like my videos, or either click the dislike button if you do not like it. So it's a request to please like or dislike the video. That way I know that what you guys are actually liking or what you guys do not want to see on my channel. So okay, so let's do a deal that if this video gets 30 likes, I'll make a part 2 of this video, and if this video doesn't get 30 likes, I won't make a part 2 of this video. So let's do it that ways. You can also comment below this video and let me know that whether you want a part 2 of this video or not, because I have a few other hacks too in my mind. So that's it, guys. Again, I'll repeat, please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.